Hi guys, so another lovely van to show you here, and this time it's the 2018 Ford Transit Custom and it's the Trend. So colour coded front on it there and mirror covers as standard on the Trend. Just makes them that a little bit smarter, same with the colour coded rear bumper end caps. Just one owner from new, this van, and covered I think it's 58,000 miles. Great history. MOT'd currently until October, however we will have a 1-year MOT put on the vehicle, and all importantly we will have the timing belt replaced. So complete timing belt kit, front fog lights on there as well in the Trend, much smarter looking. So full timing belt kit including all genuine parts for the sump, the timing belt cover, the oil pump belt, the idlers, all the stuff you would expect. Just been freshly ply lined. This van had actually been a window cleaner's van, so just thought I'd put a new lining kit in it. I'm sure you can see here it's in great order. As usual, there'll be a good selection of photographs to accompany this video on our website vansalescotland.co.uk. But hopefully the video just helps reiterate just how clean the vans are. This van has done 58,490 miles, 6-speed gearbox, Bluetooth, cruise control in there, electric power windows, electric mirrors as well. Yeah, a terrific van, just ready to go to work. If you would like to know any more details, just give us a ring on 01738 447733. Thanks again for watching.